Hi guys, today we will discuss about this problem, maximum product subarray. Okay, you see this is the given array. If you take this is an array, we need to find the maximum product subarray. Okay, suppose if you take this one, right? Okay, let me take the same example here. Okay, so this one you can consider as a one subarray. Okay, and this one you can consider as a one subarray. Okay, and this one also you can consider as a one subarray. Okay, this one also one subarray. Okay, so we need to find the subarray, but we need to find the maximum product. Maximum product, you see here what they are giving. So suppose if you take this 2 into 3, the largest product is 6. 2 into 3 equal to 6, the multiplication. Okay, they are not asking the sum, asking the multiplication of subarray, which yields the maximum product, maximum value. Okay, now come here, the same. Suppose if you take what is the maximum 2, right? Suppose if you take this one and this one, maximum product is 6. If you take this 3, minus 12. If you take this also, 24 minus 12 into 4, minus 48, right? So what is the maximum here? Maximum is 6. 2 into 3, this subarray. Okay, that is the problem. I think you are clear, right? The problem is clear. Okay, let me explain. I will explain the logic. The first we'll go for brute force. Okay, the brute force I will explain you. Suppose we need 2 for loops, right? So first to take this as, first to stand here and iterate all. Okay, first to stand here, okay, and iterate all means 1 for loop, 2 into 3 into 3, like this, right? Okay, and stand here and iterate all. Okay, and the same. Okay, you stand here and iterate the remaining. Okay, so the 2 for loops actually it's required, and we'll see the what is the output. So I already written this code, you see here. Okay, the maximum product and current product, and I'm returning this one. Okay, we need 2 for loops, but this is order of n square. Okay, first you understand in the brute force approach, then we'll see. Okay, let me try and show you what is the maximum output it will give. Maximum is 6. You see, right? We are expecting the same. How I already explained the problem also, right? So how many subarray we can make and what are those? So I explained you. So, this is for this is the brute force approach. Now we'll go to the optimal solution. Okay, yeah, come here. So I am taking one variable, that is maximum product variable. Okay, this is maximum product, and this is minimum product. Okay, minimum product, and the result we are expecting. The result means maximum product of subarray, the result. Okay, the initially I am taking this array of 0 is the maximum product, and that is also the same minimum product, and result also the same. Okay, now we can increment to here. Suppose if you come here, okay, this you can take as a one subarray, right? And this 2 you can make as a one subarray. We need to find the maximum of these 2. Okay, max of this is one subarray, right? Okay, this one current wherever it is there, right? Current number. Okay, and max of the entire. Okay, so up to here we know the maximum product. What is this 2, right? So we need to find entire, right? So suppose if you have this one into this one, if you are here, it means 3 into 2. Okay, 3 into 2. What is the maximum? Maximum of 6. What is the maximum? 6. So here maximum is 6 maximum is 6 and the result also the 6. You can find this one and this one, okay, the 6. The same way we need to find the minimum. Okay, let me clear. So first I will tell you the maximum, then I will tell you the minimum. Okay, let me clear this, and we need to increment this one, right? Yes. Okay, here also the same. So if you are here, so this you can make as a one subarray. We don't know, this may be the max, okay, or else this may be the max. We need to find the max of this two. Okay, we can take -2, and up to here we know, right, maximum product we are maintaining into the one variable. Okay, so what is this? 6, right? -2 into 6, max of -2 comma -12. Okay, what is the maximum? -2. Okay, let me keep -2. Okay, you see here up to here, what is the result? The maximum 6, right? 6, right? You keep it as it is, the 6. Okay, now fine. Okay, now increment to here. Okay, if you increment, so what you need to find? You need to find the max. So if you increment this itself, you can consider as a one subarray, and entire this also you can consider as a one subarray, and you can find the maximum of these two arrays. Okay, 4 comma up to here we know, right, we are maintaining into the one variable. What is the maximum here? The maximum is -2. 4 into -2. Okay, -8. Max of this one, right? What is the maximum? Maximum is 4. Okay, maximum is 4. But you see here we are maintaining into the one variable, right, for result the maximum product. 6 comma, for which one is maximum? 6. You are clear, right? Yes. Now it is over. Okay, now the question they are asking to find the maximum variable. So the maximum variable we found it, 6. They are expecting the same, the 6, right? Okay, 6 means these two variables, see here it is coming, right, these two. Okay, but why is the minimum? I will explain that also. First I will explain the later. First we'll complete the minimum. The minimum also the same. Suppose if you are here, this you can make as a one subarray, and this we can make as a one subarray. We need to find the minimum of these two. Okay, minimum of this subarray, either this one or this one. Okay, so up to here we know, right, what is the minimum? Minimum is 2. Okay, 3 into 2, we need to find the minimum. Okay, which one is minimum? Minimum is 3. Okay, we are maintaining to the same. Okay, now the same you can increment and see. So what we need to find? We increment first. Okay, if you increment here, you can make this as one subarray, and this is also one subarray. So we need to find a minimum of these two. Okay, -2, and up to here we know, right, what is the minimum? Minimum is 3, right? This one into this one, -2 into 3. Okay, -6. -6 is the minimum. Okay guys, okay, let me clear. Guys, we are not maintaining the minimum product subarray, just we are keep maintaining the minimum product, but not entire array. Okay, like this we are not maintaining like this. Okay, now come here. If you are here, increment this, you can make this as one subarray, and this is entire, this is also the one subarray. Okay, what we need to find? We need to find the minimum, right? So we need to find the minimum of these two subarrays. So this is one subarray 4 comma up to here. We know what is the minimum up to minus 6 into 4 into minus 6. Okay, 4 comma minus 24, right? So like this, what is the minimum? Minus 24. You can keep minus 24 like this. Okay, that's fine. I hope you are clear this one, right? Okay, you are clear this one, right? So but the question is, they are expecting only the maximum, not minimum. But I explained minimum also. Why it is required, I will tell you the later. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's go and write a code for this one. For writing the code, I will discuss few things. So first, what we have taken 3 variables: maximum product, minimum product, and result. Okay, this no need to take. Okay, you can cancel this one, I will tell later. Okay, you can take this one and this one, 2 variables. Okay, the array of 0 we are taking and assigning into this one, right? Yes. Okay, and starting from where? We are iterating from here because we already taken this one. Okay, and what is the, how we are calculating these ones? Let me repeat. Suppose if you are here, okay, so we need to find the maximum, right? So you can consider this as one subarray, and from here to here also one subarray. Now 2 subarrays, right? We need to find the maximum product of these 2 subarrays. Max of these 2 subarrays. This subarray, what is this one? Minus 2 comma this subarray. Up to here we know we are maintaining, right? We are maintaining into one variable. What is this? Maximum product into this one, means minus 2 into this 6, right? So like this only we have calculated. Okay, I will explain you in this way. What is minus 2? This is current number, okay, or current index. I am keeping as a number. Okay, and this is one subarray, and this is one more subarray, right? So how we are taking up to here? We know the maximum is the 6. Okay, and this one minus 2 means what? Minus 2 means num into, we are maintaining one variable, right, in the max p. You can take this one in max p. This is maximum. Okay, like this we calculated. Okay, let me write the code and I will explain you guys. Yeah, what we need to take? We need to take 2 variables, max p and minimum, I mean maximum product and result. Okay, so the output is 6 we are expecting. Okay, let me take maximum product equal to nums of 0 I am taking, and result equal to the same I am taking, the first array of 0 I am taking and keeping into here. Okay, now I need to iterate this one, right? From where to iterate? Okay, where to iterate, guys? You see here, so, this we are taking and keeping into when variables. This is ready. Now we need to iterate from here, right? Array of 1. Okay, int I equal to 1 because I want to start from the first index onwards. I less than array length. I plus plus. That's fine, right? Okay, now what I need to find? I need to find the maximum product, right? Maximum. You see, we already taken this one. Okay, maximum product equal to max of which one? This one, if you take this as a current num, okay, this one is current number, right? And the same I into what we need the maximum product. So we are maintaining it on product, right? I already explained that one. Okay, now that's fine. Okay, and the same, I'm keeping everything into the result equal to math dot max of the previous result and the max p. Okay, now I'm taking this as a maximum product and I'm expecting the output is 6. Okay, code is very simple, 2 lines of code. Okay, I'm calling this method and I'm expecting the I have taken the same array example. Okay, I'm expecting the output is 6. Okay, I'm expecting 6. If it is 6 comes, then we are good. Wait and see what it will come. So you see here, perfect, right? The subarray is 6. You see how many lines of code? Just 2 lines of code and one for loop, and this assigning one variables. Let me copy this and go to the lead code and submit. Okay, submit it. We'll see. Guys, you see here, out of 191, 110 test cases passed, but remaining all are failed. Okay, our code is not efficient. So what we have to do, see, in this case, right, if you take this as an array, it is failing. Let me explain in this. What is this? -2, 3, 4, right? Yeah, -2, 3, 4. The last time I already explained the minimum product, right? Now it will come into the picture why we need to maintaining that minimum product. Okay, now you see here, so we need to find the minimum product. Suppose if you take -2 and 3, what is the minimum? Suppose if you take this 2, right, you can take -2 and -2 into 3, right? Here -2, here 6. No, we cannot take, and this is also the minimum, and this is also one variable, and this is also minimum, right? So suppose if you take up to here, right, we can take -3 as a one subarray. Okay, suppose if you take all 3, so how much it will come? Consider that. Okay, -2 into 3 into -4. Okay, -6 into -4, 24. 24 is the maximum product in this case. In this case, maximum product is 24. Okay, okay, let me explain you. Okay, the same whatever I explained here, we will follow the same, but there is small change. I will explain that. What is the change? The change is we need to maintaining the minimum product. Okay, now maximum product and the minimum product and the answer result, right? Yeah, result we can keep into the one result. Okay, now initially I'm taking the same array of 0. I'm taking into this variable max p and min p and result. Okay, now iterate here, guys. Here, come here. So if you are here, this you can take as a one subarray, and this is also one subarray, right? Right, we need to find the maximum of this subarray, means this 3 and this subarray, right? This subarray means up to here we know what is the maximum. -2 into this one means 3 into -2. What is the maximum here? 3, 6. Maximum is -6. Yeah, maximum is 3, right? Maximum is 3. Okay, wait, up to here maximum is 3. Okay, and what is the result? Previously -2, now 3. Which one is maximum? Maximum is 3. Right, the same we find the minimum also. Okay, find the minimum. Okay, we need to find minimum, right? Now if you take this 2, right, you can take this as a one subarray and this also one subarray. We need to find the minimum, right? Minimum of this subarray. What is this one? 3, and the minimum of this 2. Okay, so up to here we know what is the minimum. This one into this one. Okay, 3 into -2, 3 into -2, right? Minimum of 3 comma -6. -6 is the minimum. Okay, -6 is the minimum here. Okay, I hope you are clear. Okay, that's fine, guys. I already explained. So what is the output here? We are expecting -2 into 3 into 4, the plus 24 it will come. So we are expecting plus 24. Okay, if we follow the code, this is failing, right? This is failing. Okay, I will explain the same first, then I will come to the minimum one for correct resolution. Okay, if you take this 3, okay, you can take this as a one subarray, and this is also the same, right? We need to find the maximum. So find the maximum of, okay, find the maximum of this subarray -4 and subarray of this one. Up to here we know. Up to here we know what is the minimum. Minimum is, sorry, maximum is 3, right? Take 3 into this one, -4 into 3. Okay, what is the maximum? Maximum of -4 comma -12. Which one is the maximum? -4 here, -4. Okay, here -4. Wait, here is -4. Okay, now what is the previous maximum? 3 comma -4. What is the maximum? 3. 3 is the answer in this case, but this is the wrong. We are expecting the 24, right? What we need to do, I will give the one resolution, one solution. Okay, now let me clear. Okay, guys, if you see here in the multiplications, minus into minus plus, right? Minus into minus plus. Suppose if you take minus 2 into -3 into -4 equal to, here if you see minus, this is minus plus, right? -6 into -4, 24, right? Remember this one. Let me clear. Okay, okay, what is the current number here? Suppose if you are here, what is the value here? -4. Okay, suppose if it is minus, if we multiply with other numbers -x, it will become the positive, right? Yes. Okay, so in this case what we need to find, minus means it's a less value. Whatever the maximum, it is less. Whatever the minimum, that is also less. So we need to consider this as a maximum. Whatever up to here minimum is, that we need to consider as a maximum. I'm repeating the same, don't get confused. Okay, what is the current number? -4. It is a negative number as of now. This is negative. Okay, but maximum is what? 3. Okay, but current is minus, right? It is a negative value. Okay, in this time what you have to do, maximum is the minimum. Whatever the minimum is there, right, that is the maximum you have to consider. Okay, you can take like this, 6 it will come, sorry, minus 6, okay, and 3 it will come, and continue the same. Okay, now if you are here, this you can consider as a one subarray, and this you can consider as a one more subarray, right? We need to find the maximum. You see here, max of what is this, minus 4, okay, and remaining maximum product. See here, up to here, what is the maximum? Minus 6, okay, minus 6 into 4, minus 4 into minus 6. So we need to find the maximum. What is the maximum? Minus 4 comma 24. So which one is the maximum? 24 is the maximum. So here 24 is the maximum. Are you clear? And compare with this one and this one. 24 is the maximum. Answer is 24. Are you clear? Guys, remember this one. So whenever negative value it comes, in that time we need to consider maximum is the minimum. I mean, minimum product you have to consider as a maximum. This means it's a swapping. Okay, I will write this piece of code. Okay, now first let me write minimum. I already explained how to take the minimum, right? Nums of 0. Okay, the same we need to find. So how we are calculating the maximum? We need to find the minimum. We need to find the minimum. Okay, now what we are doing, suppose the current number is negative value, then we need to swap minimum and maximum. If the current number is negative value, then you have to swap min to man. First you can take the maximum value into the one temp variable, and the maximum equal to minimum, and the minimum equal to the temp one, whatever you keep into the temporary variable. That's fine, right? Okay, now so in this we will take this example only, minus 2, 3, minus 4. Okay, what we are expecting? Minus 2, right? Minus 2, 3, minus 4. We are expecting plus 24. Wait, it is running. So we are expecting, yeah, you see here, perfect, 24. So there is small change only we added here, this one, the swapping. Okay, now copy this and go to the lead code and check. Okay, let me submit this. Perfect, accepted all scenarios. Okay, yeah. Now guys, you see here, this is the brute force approach, the brute force, and this one, sorry, not this one, the first I explained, right? This one using for 2 for loops. Let me show you in the code. Yeah, this one is the brute force approach. Okay, and this one is dynamic approach. Okay, now I will explain the 2 pointers approach. Okay, yeah, 2 pointers approach I will explain you.